Namaste student, खुश रहो बिटिया. I am JVN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the business organization. In this subject, our first topic is what is business and nature and scope of business. Business may be defined as an activity involving regular production or purchase of goods and services for sale, transfer, and exchange with an object of earning profit. So, in simple word, I say that business may be defined as an activity involving regular production or purchase of goods and services for sale, transfer, and exchange with an object of earning profit. We find people like mill owner, transporter, bankers, traders, tailors, taxi operator, etc. doing business. All of them are engaged in an activity of manufacturing or trading. Trading is the buying and selling of goods and services or providing some services. They have invest their money where the risk involved and work for earning some profit. Thus, this is the meaning of business. And now next topic is about nature and purpose of business. The nature of business is best understood on the basis of its characteristic or features, which are as follow. First one is business and economic activity. So that I say that business is an economic activity. Second is it includes the activity of production or purchase and distribution. In business, three activities include: first one is production, second is purchase, and third is distribution. Third is it deals in goods services. In business, we are dealing goods and also services. Fourth is it implies regularly of transaction. It implies regularly of transaction. Five is it aims at earning profit through the satisfaction of human wants. The first aim of our business, earning profit, but also include satisfaction of consumer, customer, and human wants. Six is it involves risk. It is not certain that adequate profit will be earned. Seven is it creates, utilize. Eighth is it serves a social purpose of improving people's standard of living. So these are the natures and characteristics of business. Next topic is our objective of business. Success in business depend on proper formulation of its objective. Objective must be clear and attainable. Thus, the objective of business may be classified as: first one is economic objective, second is social objective, third is human objective, and fourth is national objective, and five is global objective. Now let us discuss these objective in detail. First one is economic objective. Economic objective of a business refers to the objective of earning profit and those which have a direct impact on the profit earning objective of business. Some of the main economic objective of business are: first one is earning of profit. The first aim of our business, earning of profit. Second is exploring new markets and creation of more customers. Exploring new markets and creation of more customers. Third is growth and expansion of business operation. Growth and expansion of business organization. Fifth is making innovation and improvement in goods and services. We are done goods and services, new technology, use new technology, making innovations and improvement. Next is making us use of available resources in the best possible manner. These are the economic objective. Second is social objective. Social objective of business are those which are desired to be achieved for the benefit of the society, because our customer who want me, and our main scope, our customers satisfaction, customer society objective. Some of the major social objective are: first one is production and supply of goods and services to the society. Second is making goods available at reasonable price. Third is avoidance of unfair practices like hoarding, black marketing, overcharging, etc. And for next is contributing towards the general welfare and upliftment of the society. Next is ensure fair returns to the investors. And next, taking steps in the direction of consumer education. Next is conserving natural resources and wildlife and protecting the environment. This is the social objective. Third topic is human objective of business. Primarily refers to the objective aimed at safeguarding the interest of its employee and their welfare. Some of the major human objectives are: first one is providing fair remuneration and incentive to the employees. Second is arrangement of better working condition and proper work environment for the employees. Next is providing job satisfaction by making the job interesting and challenging, putting the right person in right job. Next is provide the employees with more, providing the employees with more and more promotional opportunities. Next is organization training and development program for the growth of employees. And last is providing employment to the backward classes of the society and people who are physical and mentally challenged. These are the human objective. Next is national objective. National objective of business are the objective of fulfillment the national goal and aspiration. Some of the national objective are: first one is creation of employment opportunities. Second is promotion of social justice. Third is produce and supply goods in accordance with the national interest. Next is payment of tax and other dues honestly and regularly. Next is helping the state in maintaining law and order by promoting good industrial relations. Next is implementing governance, economy and financial policy frame from time to time. These are the national objective. Next our topic is global objective. Global objective of business are the objective of facing and challenge of global market. Some of the global objective are: making available globally competitive goods and services. Second is reducing disparities among rich and poor nations by expanding its operation. These are the objective of business. Our next topic is signification of business in modern society and also importance of business. Business is an integral part of modern society. It is organized and systemized activity for profit. It is concerned with activities of people working towards a common goal. The modern society cannot exist without business. The need and importance of business in society can be described as follow. First one is improvement in standard of living. Business help people in general to improve their standard of living. Second is proper utilization of resources. It leads to effective utilization of the scarce resources of society. It provides facility of mass production. Third is better quality and large variety of goods and services. It involves production, purchase and sale of goods and services for price. Customer satisfaction is the backbone of modern business. Service such as supply, water, electricity, etc. may be considered highly significant for the community. Fourth is creates utilities. Business makes good more useful to satisfy human wants. It adds to product the utilize of person, time, place, form, knowledge, etc. Thus people are able to satisfy their wants effectively and economically. Fifth is employment opportunities. It provides employment opportunities to large number of people in society. Six is workers welfare. Business organization these days takes care of various welfare activities for workers. They provide safer and healthier work environment for employees. These are the our topic business organization, and I repeat, what is business? Business is include as an activity involving regular production or purchase of goods and services for sale, transfer and exchange with an objective of earning profit. We find people like owner, transporter, bankers, tailors, etc. These are doing business. All of them are engaged in an activity of manufacturing or training or providing such services. They have invested their money, bear the risk involved and work for earning some profits. They are the business. Next topic is nature and purpose of business. These are the nature and purpose of our business. Business is an economic activity. It includes the activity of production, purchase or distribution. It deals in goods and services. It implies regularly of transaction. It aims at earning profit through the satisfaction of human want. It involves risk, is not certain that adequate profit will be earned, and it creates utilize its service social purpose by improving pupils standard of living. These are the objective of business. First one is economic objective, second is social objective, third is human objective, and fourth is national objective, and next and last is global objective. These are the objective of our business. Next topic is our significance of business in modern society and importance of business. Business is an integral part of modern society. It is an organized and systemized activity for profit. It is concerned with activities of people working towards a common goal. These are as follow. First one is improvement in standard of living, proper utilization of resources. Third is better quality and large variety of goods and services. Fourth is creates utilize. Fifth is employment opportunities. Sixth is workers welfare. These are our topic. In this session, the important question asked in the examination: define what is business and also describe nature and scope of business with flowchart and with example. Thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.